Hey, what's up guys, it's Ketan here from Technogyan. So guys, today we are back again, and today we are going to unbox the USB cable from the company named TUKZER, and this is the fast charging cable so by don't wasting any time, let's unbox it. So guys, there you can see the USB charging cable, and I have ordered the color sleeky gray, and at the front there you can see the branding of the TUKZER, and they are giving the 24 months warranty as well. And this is a 3.2 feet aluminium and data sync cable, and the color is the sleek gray, which I have mentioned earlier. And this is the look of the cable. The look of the cable is pretty nice, and there are some features of this cable. There is sync and charging, and the length is 3.2 feet and an approximately 1 meter they have written here, and micro USB design, and 2.4 ampere fast charging, and tangle free. So at the back there are the shipping details, and made for charge and sync on all Android and Linux, Windows, BlackBerry OS, compatible premium high speed micro USB, synchronize, and charging cable for mobile phone, smartphone, tablets, e-reader, camera, power bank, GPS, MP3 players, and other micro USB compatible device as well. So there is nothing on the top and on the left as well, and the bottom nothing is there. So let's quickly open the box. Let me put it aside. Don't know why they put the filter paper in this box. So this is the cable, guys. The cable is looking pretty good, and the design they have given here is the pretty pyramid type, you can say. There is the branding of TUKZER. The rubber is used to make this USB cable, and there you can see the USB port. So let's open this. So as the charging cable is of 1 meter, as I mentioned earlier. So let's put it inside our device. Let's see it is working or not. There you can see, guys, it's working. And so guys, the thing which I liked in this USB cable is the design, and the build quality of this USB cable is pretty high, you can say. Let me show you the design here. Design of the cable. So guys, this is it for today. Hope you liked our video, and I will give the feedback of the USB cable, that how much time it will take to charge the mobile phone from let's say 10 to 100%, from as comparing with the other USB cable that come into the box of your mobile phones from the company itself. So guys, I hope you liked our video. Share it with your friends, hit the like button, and tap on the subscribe button. That will help us. Have a nice day.